Mechanical keyboards are without a doubt the king when it comes to gaming or typing experiences. However, if you're building a minimal gaming setup, a wired mechanical keyboard would be a hindrance and might not seem feasible. A wireless mechanical keyboard, on the other hand, takes up minimal desk space for a clean overall build. In today's video, we're gonna showcase 5 of the best wireless mechanical keyboards that you might wanna check out before your next purchase.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting at number 5, the Keychron K2 is an entry-level mechanical wireless as well as wired keyboard with excellent build quality and is compatible with most popular operating systems. This keyboard has a small and compact design that makes it fairly easy to carry around but has all the essential function keys which are important for your productivity. With 3 Gateron switches options, the keyboard is designed to fit your dedicated tapping experience. In addition, the inclined 9-degree bottom frame makes it more comfortable to crank out emails or write a novel. The keyboard is engineered with more than 15 taps of RGB light and comes with different styles which will match up to your mood. It works on both Mac OS and Windows and can connect with up to 3 devices at once via Bluetooth. Plus, with a 4000 mAh big battery, it can last for up to 240 hours when backlight is off. Overall, the Keychron K2 is good for office usage and light gaming while providing a great tapping experience, and you can get it with other switch tabs if you prefer. Coming at number 4, we have the Corsair K63, a full-featured wireless mechanical gaming keyboard with full dedicated media controls which can provide you reliable and consistent performance. This keyboard comes in a 10 keyless form factor that saves valuable desk space and makes travel easy. And the detachable soft touch wrist pad provides comfort to enhance your gameplay. The keyboard features an ultra-fast 1 millisecond 2.4 GHz wireless technology, low latency Bluetooth, and wired USB connection for best gaming performance. This is also equipped with Cherry MX Red mechanical key switches which deliver the ultimate gaming performance and competitive advantage. In addition, the 128-bit AES wireless encryption helps protect your keystroke from wireless eavesdropping to keep your personal data safe. You can charge this keyboard with a USB port and can get up to 20 hours of battery life with backlit on. You can also assign macros to any key and customize dynamic lighting effects with Corsair Utility Engine. Finally, for clean gaming setups and the ultimate couch-side PC experience, there's no better option than the Corsair K63 wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. At number 3, the Razer Black Widow V3 Pro is a full-size wireless gaming keyboard with a premium build and keycaps to its flashy RGB media controls and included wrist rest. This wireless mechanical gaming keyboard comes armed with the Razer Hyperspeed wireless technology for low latency gaming and hyper-responsive inputs. The keyboard features linear and silent Razer yellow switches which produce extremely smooth keystrokes, or tactile and clicky Razer green mechanical switches that offer optimized actuation and reset points for better precision and performance when gaming. You can personalize this RGB gaming keyboard with over 16.8 million colors for greater immersion, and the plush leatherette wrist rest can relieve pressure on your wrist, so you'll feel less fatigued when gaming over long periods. You can get up to 15 hours of battery life from this keyboard, and with the included USB-C cable, you can charge during your usage too. In conclusion, for a full-sized wireless keyboard that has everything a wired mechanical has, plus all the software, RGB, and fancy media controls, the Black Widow V3 Pro is hard to beat. Coming at number 2, we have the Logitech G915 Lightspeed keyboard, which can provide you comfortable gaming performance and stable typing with grown-up looks and all the gaming features you would want. This keyboard is impossibly thin and features new, high-performance, low-profile GL mechanical switches that are available in 3 switch types and is rigorously tested to meet strict endurance, responsiveness, and accuracy requirements. You can create your own animation or choose from a selection of preset effects using Intelligent Light Sync RGB technology, which enables fully customizable per-key lighting across 16.8 million colors to enhance your gameplay. This keyboard features pro-grade Lightspeed wireless technology that eSport pros all over the world trust in competitions. You can also toggle between Lightspeed wireless and Bluetooth quickly and easily. You can enjoy 30 hours of non-stop game time on a single charge, and it is also fully functional when plugged in via USB, so you can charge and play simultaneously. To conclude, the G915 brings a sophisticated design of unparalleled beauty, strength, and performance in a manner that very few gaming peripherals are able to pull off. Finally, at number 1, the Asus ROG Falchion is a compact gaming board that you can use wired or wirelessly and has an incredibly low latency when used over either connection. This comes in a 65% form factor for a minimalist setup and has an innovative two-way cover case and an interactive touch panel. The touch panel lets you conveniently adjust volume or create shortcuts for switching apps or copying and pasting. It can also be programmed for use as a macro key for more intuitive controls for gaming. This keyboard utilizes a gaming-grade 2.4 GHz RF connection for 1 millisecond response rate and offers up to 450 hours of battery life on a single charge to deliver you the stability and longevity you need for the ultimate gaming experience. The keys feature durable PBT double-shot keycaps and German-made Cherry MX RGB mechanical switches for precise, tactile keystrokes. This also features wireless Aura Sync RGB lighting so that you can create a keyboard that's uniquely yours. To round things up, the Asus ROG Falchion is a feature-packed and aesthetically brilliant wireless mechanical keyboard that should be grabbing your attention. So that was all about the top 5 best wireless mechanical keyboards. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.